This video I'm going to show us how we can make 15,000 naira or more from our phones every week, or we can make as much as 1,000 naira every day from our phones. Now, the app I want to use for this demonstration is the OPay app. Now, OPay is one app that actually helps you get as much money as you want from their app. So there's a reward system on OPay whereby you can refer and earn 800 naira cashback for every referral. That means if you use the referral code, let me create a referral code. So if you create this referral code and you use this as your invitation code, which is your phone number, now anyone that uses your phone number to register for OPay, you automatically get 800 naira per time. So imagine referring about 10 to 15 people per day. That means you are earning up to 8,000 to 15,000 naira per day. Also, OPay gives other benefits, which are that you can save and earn up to 15% interest from their app. So there's the OWealth whereby you enjoy daily returns and withdraw at any time, and you get up to 15% per annum. There's the target savings, there's the save box, there's a fixed and spend and save saving report. So all these features you can easily get. So let's take, for example, I want to save 1,000,000 naira in OPay. Let me use the fixed savings. I use the fixed savings most times. So let's say I want to lock savings for about 61 days. So let's see, I'm locking away 1,000,000 naira. So you keep earning interest even with your capital still in place. So let me put saving it for 61 days, and next you'll see how much returns you're getting. So in 61 days you're getting back 14,000 naira from your 1,000,000 naira. Now imagine how interesting it will be when you are saving up to, let's say, 180 days. Then you'll be getting 43,000 naira on your savings. So that's one interesting way of making money with your phone. If you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel, and if you are new to this channel, you need to ask questions, uh, talk to someone about it. You can reach out to me. I'm here to give you much updates and much information about whatever tech questions you need to ask. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon. Make sure you have a lovely day.